Charlotte, do you have the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups? You're not liking those hiccups? No? Daddy doesn't like you having the hiccups because he can't do anything for you. But you're awful cute when they happen.